Hi everybody, we're going to talk about the number one oil for your hair, rosemary oil. Why it's the best, how to use it, how to get the most growth possible the right way. Rosemary oil has been used for a very long time for your hair. It's not new, it's no secret. In fact, Rogaine, which is a famous hair regrowth product that you can buy, is compared to rosemary oil, and rosemary oil is more effective than Rogaine. It has no side effects and it grows your hair not only longer and more volume, but also shinier, healthier, and so many more benefits. So how does it do this? We're going to go into some of its benefits, and then I'm going to share with you how you can do it the best method to make your hair grow really fast using rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is an anti-inflammatory. Rosemary oil is really great for stimulating your blood circulation. Just massaging it into your scalp will increase the blood flow and circulation into your scalp and into your hair follicles, which is very important. And one of the main causes of hair loss is you do not have enough blood circulation going into your scalp. Rosemary oil is really great at preventing gray hair. So if you're starting to get gray hairs, don't panic. This is the first thing you should be using is this rosemary oil. It will prevent gray hair from coming. Rosemary oil makes your hair long and strong, healthy and shiny. All the great things that we need for our healthy hair. It's fantastic to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp. It does a really great job. Your scalp will be super clean, so you will not have any more itchy scalp or dandruff forming. And one of the most amazing things about rosemary oil is it can heal up your nerve damage. That includes your nerve endings, the nerve cells, and new nerve cells. So it can regenerate new nerve cells, which is important to make new hair. Now I'm going to share with you how to use this because you do not want to put it directly onto your scalp. I'm going to share with you the best way that you need to mix this rosemary oil to make your hair grow quickly, strong, and healthy. But first, I want you to think about your diet. I have done a video on not eating sugar, and I want you to watch that. I left a link for you in the description box. Please go watch it. It's very important what you are eating to make any hair growth possible. When you eat bad food, especially eating sugar, it blocks the nutrients from being absorbed in your body. So even if you think you're eating some healthy food, it's not being absorbed into your body. When you do not get the right nutrients, your hair becomes brittle, dull, dry, and starts to fall out. So proper nutrition is very important. So please work on your diet if you're thinking about working on your hair. All right, for the mixture, you will need 15 drops of rosemary oil. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil is very beneficial for your hair. It helps to moisturize and hydrate your hair. It also makes it very healthy and shiny. And it also is antibacterial, antifungal. It's super rich in vitamin E, and it has been shown to boost your hair growth. All the things that we're looking for. You can also use black seed oil if you cannot find castor oil. It's also antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and very good for your hair. It has also been shown to increase hair growth and reduce hair loss. So pick one of those, either one if you can get it. And we're going to add to it olive oil. Olive oil is the basic go-to for your hair. It helps to condition your dry hair and strengthen it. Now how to use this mixture. You want to warm it up on the stove. You do not want it hot. You need to be able to put your fingers in it and not burn yourself. That means that's the right temperature. And you're going to massage it into your scalp. If you have a lot of hair, you need to part your hair and put it directly into the scalp and keep parting your hair and keep putting it on your scalp all the way around. Whatever left over of the mixture, put it on the lengths of your hair. Use all of this mixture each time you make it. And then you're going to wrap your head in a hot towel. Make sure your towel is warmed up. You can warm it in a microwave, or you can put it into a pot and warm it up in your pot and wrap your hair in it. It's important to make sure the towel is warm, because when your hair and scalp is warm, the pores are more open and they will absorb all the nutrients and nutrition that you're trying to give it. So this is very effective. Also, if you want to make it work even better, you can dampen your hair a little bit before you start to help the hair become more accepting of the oils you are putting on it. And you want to leave it in the towel now for 1 to 2 hours. After that, you can wash it out with a very mild shampoo. It needs to not have any phosphates in it, no phosphates. You want to do this 2 to 3 times a week. We are going to be doing this for 6 months. There is no hair growth overnight. There is no, I got my hair growing in 7 days. These videos are fake. So if you want real results, you need to be patient. Take care of your diet. It's super important. And be patient and don't give up. Try this for at least 6 months. And some people, you get better results faster depending on your body. And some people take a little bit longer. So do it for at least 6 months. You'll notice right away your hair is more shiny and voluminous and feels really well to put your hands on it. It feels nice. You will like how your hair is results in like 1 day. But for the growth, that does take a bit longer. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you try this out. I love to hear how it's working for you. It's working for me, and I definitely recommend you try it.